How to archive chats on Instagram. Now, some of the tutorials out there that you're seeing actually is requiring you to switch your personal account into a business account. Will, honestly speaking, you do not need to do those processed. You can just definitely archive any chats that you have from Instagram. So that's very simple. So before you dig deep into that tutorial, make sure that you have successfully updated your Instagram application by just going to your Google Play Store, look for your Instagram app, and make sure that this is going to be operating to the latest version to avoid any errors or problems. So let's head back to our Instagram account and then just go directly to one of the messages that you have. So for example, you would like to choose on any of these options right here to archive a message. Just simply tap and hold that certain account, and the other term for archive is going to be move to general. So just choose on that and it will automatically archive that specific chat. So that's it. That's how you archive chats on Instagram.